Hi, today we're going to make pork sausage and ground pork. I've boned out 2 bags of pork butts or 4 pork butts and ground it all except for the glands that's in it. I made sure to remove those. And we grind our pork one time for sausage and for ground pork. So after making sure this is mixed up a little bit, I'm going to take about 5 packages of this for ground pork, and then we'll add the sausage seasoning to the rest. We're using Witt's ground pork sausage seasoning. You'll notice 1 bag of this goes to 25 pounds of product right here. So you want to weigh your product ahead of time. I've already started adding some to it. We're going to add the rest of this to it and then mix it up. Make sure you account for the lug weight when you're weighing this too. This lug weighs 3 3/4 pounds, so I had to figure that in when I was doing this, because you want to use the right amount of seasoning. And when you mix this, you want to make sure you mix it well. It's one of the most important things to making sausage is being consistent. If your customer comes in and likes it, they'll be back to buy it. But the second time, if it's not the same as the first time, they won't be back a third time. So you need to be consistent. That's why you need to measure this out and use the amount of seasoning that's recommended. You want to make it the same way all the time. You want to have it about the same consistent leanness as well. And mixing sausage, when you mix it and you think you've got it mixed well, mix it some more, because you want that seasoning all throughout it. You don't want it all clumped up in just a few packs. Some people have big mixers that they can do this with, and you can put the seasoning into the pork before you grind it, but you still need to mix it. This way too, it mixes not just the seasoning, but the fat and the lean content is mixed well. I've ground this pork only one time. The more times you grind pork, the fatter it looks when you've got much fat in it. So we only grind sausage one time at this location. So after you get it mixed up, and you can put it in your trays. We're putting it in 2Ds here. It's a little sticky. That's okay. Some people put a lot of different things in their sausage. When I make it, I only put pork and seasoning in it. I don't put water, I don't put buttermilk, all the different things that I've seen over the years. And I only use fresh product. These were fresh butts right out of the package. that they came in that I boned out today. If you sell a lot of sausage, you can make family packs out of it. Bigger tray. I make these at least a pound. These are probably closer to a pound and a quarter, pound and a half. You can see there's no seasoning left down on the bottom of the lug. It's all mixed throughout the sausage. And you want to make sure you clean the lug out well, because this is all money. You don't want to leave any down in there to be thrown away. Okay, you can see what we've got out of 2 bags of butts that we boned out. We've got 5 packs of ground pork with no seasoning. You can see the difference in the color of this. The seasoning has a little pinker color to it from having all that seasoning put in it. But that's how we make pork sausage.